Whether it's a school, office, gym, hospital, or public building, having clean and easily accessible drinking water is more important than ever. Today we're reviewing the Avalon wall-mounted water fountain with bottle filling station, featuring high-capacity cooling, touchless sensor dispensing, self-cleaning technology, a digital bottle counter, dual-stage filtration, and ADA-compliant accessibility. But is this commercial hydration station worth the investment? Let's find out. The Avalon wall-mounted water fountain is designed for high-traffic environments where reliability, hygiene, and convenience are essential. Unlike traditional drinking fountains, this unit combines a standard drinking fountain with a modern bottle filling station, encouraging reusable bottle use while reducing plastic waste. Its wall-mounted design saves floor space and creates a clean, professional appearance in public facilities. Whether installed in schools, offices, fitness centers, or healthcare facilities, it's built for everyday commercial use. Let's start with hydration performance. The system features high-capacity cooling, delivering refreshing cold water even during busy periods with frequent use. One of its standout features is the touchless bottle filling sensor, allowing users to refill bottles without pressing buttons, improving hygiene and reducing contact. The integrated dual filtration system helps improve water taste while reducing common contaminants before dispensing. Together, these features create a cleaner and more convenient hydration experience. The Avalon fountain also focuses on smart functionality. The digital bottle counter tracks the number of disposable plastic bottles saved, making it a great feature for schools and organizations promoting sustainability. Its self-cleaning system helps maintain internal cleanliness, reducing maintenance requirements and improving long-term performance. The unit is also ADA compliant, making it accessible to a wider range of users. The durable commercial construction is designed for continuous operation in busy public spaces. In everyday operation, the Avalon hydration station performs very well. Water remains consistently cool thanks to the high-capacity cooling system, even during repeated use. The touchless sensor responds quickly, making bottle filling simple and efficient. The filtration system provides clean-tasting drinking water while the bottle counter adds an educational sustainability feature for schools and workplaces. For facilities looking to improve both convenience and hygiene, this fountain delivers reliable long-term performance. So, is the Avalon wall-mounted water fountain with bottle filling station worth buying? If you're looking for a commercial-grade hydration solution that combines touchless bottle filling, cold filtered water, self-cleaning technology, and ADA accessibility, this is an excellent choice. With features like dual filtration, digital bottle counter, high-capacity cooling, and a professional wall-mounted design, it provides outstanding value for schools, offices, gyms, healthcare facilities, and public buildings. While installation is more involved than a countertop dispenser, its durability, hygiene features, and long-term reliability make it a worthwhile investment. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of commercial equipment, smart hydration products, workplace solutions, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.